Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems that the CPI data was quite beneficial for America yesterday, but it was completely ignored by the markets. We saw a brief spike on a few of the stocks and indices that have been really plunging in the last few sessions. But since then, it's had quite a big reversal. And you can see this on the Dow as we hit off on the charts today. We saw a spike towards 42,000 when the news was announced. But since then, the Dow dropped over 800 points and it actually was trading lower towards 41,000 than anything else. So now we saw a brief peak, let's say, in the early session today, but since then we've just had quite a detrimental downturn on the Dow and it's keep on pushing even lower. I just want to bring this down on the hourly chart because a lot of traders have been asking me to go more intraday, and as you can see here, it's wave after wave of downside potential now, hitting lower lows every time, and we're just seeing more of a test at these particular lows at the moment. So trading a bit lower as we speak, roughly at the 41,100 area. If we do pierce the 41,000 level, we will be then seeing price action possibly even falling lower. Now let's bring it on to the daily chart just quickly because I just want to see the detrimental impact we've had on the Dow since the sell-off when Donald Trump did plan his potential trade wars and tariffs as well. So obviously tariffs kicking in on aluminium and steel this week, 25%. So how will the rest of the world react? Well, Europe have already said that they will counteract this. Canada and Mexico are looking to do the same. So we're just seeing now potentially if we're going to crack this 41,000 area, levels that we haven't seen since September, which is quite remarkable. So 6-month low. So as you can see here, a bit of a wild ride on indices. When Donald Trump was announced as the next president, we did see these record highs on not only the Dow but the S&P and the Nasdaq. But since the trade war has really taken off, as you can see, fallen quite dramatically, over 4,000 points being shedded on this particular index there. So we're just seeing now that price action really starting to feel a bit more pressure. Let's just quickly take a look on the S&P as well. Pretty much the same thing on the daily chart. We're seeing now a big collapse from the record high that we saw above 6,100 not so long ago as well, which is quite remarkable. Now trading around 6,000, now trading at 5,800, way below 6,000. Let's just bring it onto the 4-hour chart just to get a brief feel. As you can see here, the spike on price action when the CPI data was announced, year on year falling to 2.8% towards the Fed's magical target of 2%. So we are seeing now that price action is very, very uncertain, very, very difficult to trade at the moment, because if we get another big message from the new president, then we could see prices fall even further. So let me know what you think. Our stock's going to take a rebound, our index is going to do the same, and what about the Fed's decision in the near future? Are they going to start giving us more indication that they're going to cut, they're going to hold, or they're going to start raising, because obviously the fear of a recession is growing. So join me next time as we take you through the markets. So thank you very much for joining me. Stay safe, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.